SCM Class TF130PS spindle moulder, the best solution for every application. Designed to manage tenoning and profiling operation very easily. With the front sliding carriage integrated in the table with the dimension of 1080 mm length and 270 mm wide, with the tilting telescopic fence and the protection hood dedicated armguard, the operator can easily and safely carry out tenoning and profiling operation. T-set rapid tool locking system, the solution to all your tool setting problems. A simple compress air gun allows the tools locking and unlocking. Interchangeable spindle MK5 to set up the machine just in few seconds. Spindle moulder fence with mechanical programming. Flex, a single simple movement to retract and reposition in an instant and accurately position the fence on the work table. Machine configuration for the machining of advanced material. This configuration makes the machine suitable also for advanced material like PVC, plastic and other synthetic material. SCM Class TF130PS spindle moulder, the flexible per excellence, the best solution for every application.